I just came to the lake and I spotted the turtle. He finally showed up. For about maybe almost 2 years now, I've been hearing slow and steady wins the race. It's true. But this turtle, he finally showed up. He finally showed up. I love turtles. They're so adorable. And they remind me also, yeah, my dog's getting excited. They remind me, sorry about the camera, of crabs. Because they also carry their, sorry, just trying to find him. There he goes. He just came out for a little bit, for a little sun. We probably like, it's probably like, yeah, I wanted some peace, but you guys showed up. But he reminds me of a crab because they have their shell, they have their protection, but they're soft on the inside. He's just swimming around. Sorry, my dog's pulling me. I think he wants to come back out. Maybe he's just going for a little dip.